Oh there, folks. Hey, this quick video here is an idea I came up with to show you what page is active. There's really not a way that I know of in Crimson to be able to tell what page is currently displayed. Now, there is in the lower right-hand corner in System, Functions, Page, there's a Show Modal command here, but it doesn't really tell me, in my opinion, what page is active. So I came up with this idea. I'll just click on some pages. Let me click on a Trends page. And if I go out here, right click anywhere on the page and go to Properties, on the Action tab, I created a tag called Page Active. So it's over here, just integer. And each page I gave a number. So this page here is page equals 1. I set it there. I also changed the name of the pages over here so I kind of know. So this one's page 2. So if I right click on it, go to Properties, and on Action, when it's selected, I made it equal to 2. And if I go to the, say I'll go to this one here, right click on it, go to Properties, and you can see it's page 5. So I did that for every page in here. And then on the menu page, I also set it up as page active equals 0. So I changed all the names of my tags or my pages to have those suffix, the ones I'm using. I'm not doing anything with this page or the label. I just use that for the start of the video. But so that's the tag that I'm using. And then I went to data tags. I clicked on that tag, and on the format tab for it, I set it up for 7 states. And I went ahead and declared the 7 states here, and then I named the pages. Now the problem here is I had to cheat and keep going back here to look at my order and then go to here and type them in, but that's what I did. And then in this application, I went over to web server and I created a simple page called ActivePage. And on that page, I put the tag, I drug the tag here, out here to page active so I could see it on a kind of a backdoor route here. So if I go ahead and download this to the actual HMI here, I'll bring up the page. Let me go here. This will make sense to you. So this is the main page that would be on the display, or on the web page. Remote view here is the same as here. However, through there, I'm going to use the View Data tab, and then I've got this page here called Active Page. I'll click on it, and you can see that this shows currently up displayed is the menu page. So if I happen to go from here, say to the original design page, click here, you can see this trips to the number 2 state here. If I hit the menu page here, even though this is a background, this is a pop-up. This is the focus window. So if I go to widget design, it'll show me there. Of course, I'm using the multi-step, so that's why it's showing those. And that's the way you can tell what page is declared. I'm using this as a multi-state. I suppose if I go over here and get rid of the multi-state, so I think if I go back to general here, let's see what happens. So that should get rid of all that work I did there. Let's download this. And now we should get just numbers. Let's see. I'm interested to see what happens. See, it says error. Let's see what happens when it pops back up here. Aha. So now I get just the raw number instead of the name, which probably is better for some of you based on your math. Is just ask the question, is number 4 or number 5? So basically you can use that to tell what page is active to the viewer. I'm looking at the tag here, so that's kind of my cheat, quick way to make a tag called page active. And basically on every display page, I had to right click on the page, go to properties, and on the action tab in the OnSelect, that means that's the page that's been called up, I'm setting that to an appropriate integer value to tell me what page is active. Just thought I'd share that quick idea. Hey, thanks a lot, folks. Have a great day.